Ladies and gentlemen, BBAI stock sitting at $4. I give this a buy. Classic support level play right there. There's your support. You buy, set a stop loss at like 3. I mean, today, what's the low of today? What's the low of today? Oh, hell yeah. This is the low is at 3.9. So did it just find its low? Okay, yeah. So the low is 3.9 today. So you buy right now, set a stop loss at the low of 3.9. If this is going to hold here and not drop under 4 and go any lower, if this is truly the bottom, then you should not get stopped out. If you get stopped out, you take the 10-cent loss and you can reposition cheaper, or you can just start dollar cost averaging. It's up to you how you want to play it. That sweet purple line acted as resistance. It acted as a ceiling. I've been telling you guys, when the opposite happens, meaning when we are tanking, unfortunately, that purple line is going to act as resistance. It's going to act as a ceiling that we need to get above to get bullish again. Because we know when this goes above the purple line, what happens? We get all these pump and dumps, right? So you guys who have been around for a long time, we know how to play the game. Look at this. Beautiful. We want a bull run. We want this to get above back above that purple line, because every single time it's money in the bank. Here, again, this is acting as resistance. Nobody should be surprised that the purple line acted as resistance here. Like, look at that. That's crazy. Isn't that funny how that works? It's almost like it's a magnet. Think of the purple line as a magnet. When you're in a bull run, we come down to this magnet and you buy at the magnet nice and discounted. Then you hold for the big run. In this case, you don't want to buy when it comes up. You want to sell whatever you bought down here for 30, 40% and then rinse and repeat. Or you can just continue to accumulate while everything is discounted. Because every time we've been under the purple line, it can be under here for quite a while, right? It can stay down here for months. Every time it's come down here to $1. Here it came down to dollars. Look at that. $1.40, $1.70. And then it ran to $5. Here it ran to $10 for a nice 5 to 7x. So it's up to you how you want to play it. It's up to you, really. I think you can't go wrong here buying at $4. I know Zip Trader U was saying, oh, buy it at $7. Yeah, no, $4 is the play. And I think some here, yeah, $4, and then if it comes down to 3, add some more. If this thing comes down and blesses you with $1.50 like it did in the past here, then I don't know what happened in the stock market, but something brutal happened if we come down to $1.50 again. And keep in mind, this has happened many times here. We ran to $6.70, dropped to $1.23 low, then ran to $5, then tanked to $1.39. I don't know if we'll go down to that low of a price, but if it does happen, I mean, every single time, imagine being scared of buying down here at $1. Like, that's insane. If it does come down here, that is opportunity of a lifetime, in my opinion, if it does come down that low, which I don't believe it will. I would be very shocked, and again, something crazy must have happened in the world. Some external factors would have had to occur to cause this to drop down. We do have to be worried with I did believe they did increase the authorized shares. We knew this was coming. So let me see if I can find the news here. I swear I saw it the other day, because I know someone in the Discord mentioned it, somebody that claims to be French, and they used AI to communicate with me, which was really weird. It made me think they were a bot. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Did they like remove it or something? Okay, anyways, they did increase the authorized shares, so that is something to be concerned about. If they decide to dilute, you might get caught, and it'll probably drop like 10-15%. So that's something to keep in mind. That's the risk you're taking when you are buying BBAI. I was about to say QBTS. Yeah, if you want to play something safer, just buy QBTS or IonQ. Just buy quantum stocks and sit on those. But BBAI, I know a lot of you love this one. So there you go. This is it. This is your opportunity. Man, if it comes down to dollars, oh, I'm buying. I'm buying with a stop loss. I'm not gonna, just buy and woohoo, or like hold it all the way down to 50 cents. I will buy and I will have a stop loss, because you got to play it safe with these stocks that can. I mean, they increase the authorized shares by that much. That's insane. What do they plan to do? If they increased it that much, they got a plan. They're gonna do something with that. So we know government contracts will be coming in the second half of this year. So I think we're coming up on a great opportunity to buy and hold. If you're looking for the quick flip, you can buy here and then sell at the purple line, which is a 30% move. If it does come down to 3s again, I mean, from $3 to the purple line, that's a 69% move. Haha, I know someone's going to make a sex joke somewhere in there. But look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. If you use the purple line as a magnet and you don't buy at the purple line, but you wait for it to come down to these support levels, the move on the recovery back to that purple line, back to that magnet is 30 to 69%. That's pretty crazy, right? That just comes to show you there is still money to be made while it's trading down here. I believe this will go sideways here. I think it's bottomed out at 3 and it's just going to go sideways, mainly because I've seen a lot of stocks do that recently. You know, this stock loves to do that. It comes down to like $1 and then just goes sideways here. It comes down to $1, goes sideways here. So here it's just gonna. I think it's just gonna sit here at around 3 to 4s. That's what I believe. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of stocks do that. Like SoFi is just trading in a range between 15 and 18. It's just trading sideways here for months. SoundHound, another one, same exact pattern. It's just trading sideways here, doing a whole lot of nothing, right? So Bitcoin, same thing with Bitcoin. What has it been doing since February? It's just sideways in a box. So, like, this isn't exclusive to BBAI. What I'm saying here is a lot of stocks are just doing the same shit. They're just sitting there going sideways within a range. This is where you want to buy. If history is going to repeat, once we get past midterms, we're going to go on a huge rally, because that's the historical pattern. After Joe Biden's presidential midterms, after the midterms for Joe Biden in 2022, we went on a 2.5 year bull run. So if that's going to happen again, we would expect a bull run, which is going to send. And you guys know, man, I can't even talk because I'm so excited. You guys know a bull run means we are above the purple line, which means we get lots of what? Pump and dumps. I don't have to show you this twice, but here it is, right? We get above the purple line, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. You buy at the purple line, you sell it to the suckers who chase, and then rinse and repeat, right? This is, again, not exclusive to this stock. Rich Tech Robotics, what happens every single time this stock gets above the purple line, what happens? Pump, and then it dumps, and then it pumps, and then right off the purple line over and over again, and it's just rinse and repeat. Don't ask me why this works or why it is. I don't care why it works. I don't give a damn. I just know that in a bull run, it's easy money. In a bear market, you want to buy at support levels and then sell it at the purple line for a nice return. I mean, Rich Robotics here has the exact same setup. So, right? Again, I'm just showing you as an example that this is not exclusive to BBAI. There's a lot of opportunity out there when everything gets this cheap. So it's up to you. You got to pick and choose your battles, what you want to buy, what you want to sell. I give BBAI a buy, but just be cautious because of the increase in authorized shares. If you don't like the fact that they might dilute heavily and don't want that risk, buy QBTS, IonQ, or anything. Yeah, NVIDIA leaps. Like, again, there's opportunity everywhere right now with everything being so discounted and sold off after NVIDIA's earnings. So there you go. Those are my thoughts. I know some of you are going to ask, are you going to buy? I will buy if it comes down to 3. If it comes down to 301, I'll buy there and set a stop loss at below. I think that's very good risk to reward ratio. We'll see what Kevin Warsh says. He's going to be talking today at around 1:30 p.m. Central Time. Everyone's going to be watching it. Expect today to be sideways, mainly because that's just how it always is. Every time we have a Fed chair speaking, whether it's Jerome Powell or today's new guy, Warsh, usually we just don't do anything. We just go sideways. I mean, you can look at the chart here. We've just been sideways for the past week, because we're just waiting for the new guy to talk and see what he has to say. So if we do dump, I think $3, that is where I will add. Because that's a big level down there. Because we break that, we go down to 2s and possibly back to $1.50. Which, like I said, if it goes down there, oh, that's opportunity. So there you go, guys. It's up to you. You can either follow my game plan or the many other game plans that I gave you. If you just want if you believe in this so strongly, just dollar cost average at key levels. So dollar cost average some here, add some down here at 3s, and God forbid it goes down to $1.50. That means a lot of stocks are also really cheap at that point. Probably NVIDIA goes under 200. You're going to see Bitcoin under 60K. You're going to see a Rocket Lab under 100. That means that means the market as a whole took a hit somewhere because of that. Something happened. So if it does come down to 150s, that is a steal. And I will leave it at that. That is it for the video. I will see you in the next one.